Okay, now let's continue with the topic of comparative form. In this case, we will check inferiority form. We have checked superiority. Yeah? For example, I am faster than fulanito, etc. Now it's the opposite. When a person or an object is inferior in one characteristic. For example, for short adjectives, she is less pretty than Monica. Less. Okay? So, as we were saying, in comparative form is one versus one, or a group versus a group. Yeah? So, she versus Monica. What is the characteristic that we are comparing? Pretty. In this case, as is inferiority, we're going to use less. We don't touch my adjective. We don't touch it. We only include less before my adjective. For long adjectives, it's the same. Justin Bieber is less attractive than me. It's something real, but nobody accepts it. Now, it's Justin Bieber versus me. What is the characteristic that we are comparing? Attractive. But it's inferiority. So, before my adjective, before my characteristic, I'm going to put less. For irregular adjectives, it's the same. My adjective, it's clear. We do not touch it. Jordan, Michael Jordan, maybe you have heard about him, is less good at basketball than me, for sure. I had a problem in my knee, so I couldn't make it for the NBA. So that's what I was saying. Jordan versus me. What is the characteristic that we are comparing? Good. How good we are for basketball. So, but we're talking about inferiority. So Jordan is less good at basketball than me. All the time in comparative form, we're going to use than to introduce the second subject. Yeah, the subject that is being compared. So this is it. This is the introduction or the explanation of comparative form for inferiority. So, as you can see, you will have to add less before your adjective between the comparisons. Is that clear? Okay, let's continue.